Your content is one factor that will affect the length of your videos. Obviously, you need to take the time to express what you want to express, say what you want to say. But there are other factors you need to take into consideration as well. For example, how modular do you want your content to be? Let's say you have to define a key term that you use in multiple courses. Well, you might want to extract that key term from your 45-minute video lecture and just make a 3-minute video lecture that you could use in course A and in course B. The rule of thumb with YouTube is the shorter the better. The shorter your video, the more people will click on the video in the first place, the more people will watch it to the end, the better your metrics will be, the better the algorithm will like you, the more new viewers you will find. Attention spans on YouTube can also be short. Teaching in the classroom, you may have a captive audience, but on YouTube, people can leave the room at any time, and so you really need to engage their attention. YouTube is an opportunity to refine your craft by keeping things concise. For example, can you divide one lecture into 3 videos or into 4 videos? For my Modern Chinese novel course, I took each novel and I made 3 different lectures about that novel, each about 10 to 15 minutes long. Can you show text on screen instead of saying the line, which takes more time? Can you shorten your video by cutting out filler words or redundant information? For example, I could have begun this video by just repeating the title of the video. How long should your YouTube video be? But you've already read that, so I don't need to say it again. In short, when in doubt, cut. Another consideration is, do you want to have a standard length for your videos? I know of one channel that does 3-minute film reviews, so every single one is indeed under 3 minutes. Will your viewers want that type of predictability? Viewer habits are also a consideration. Do you have a captive audience or not? Are these highly motivated viewers, or are they viewers that really need to be seduced in to watch your material? How likely are they to watch to the end of the video? You can also arrive at a decision by doing comparison to peer, so you can look at other channels or other videos that deal with similar content to yours. You can see which of those videos got the most views, which got the most likes. You can also use YouTube analytics. For example, you could upload a few videos, you could see how many views they get, and then you could go into the analytics and see at what point do people stop watching? On average, how much of the video do viewers watch? This can be very instructive because it can shape not just the length of your videos, but also the pace and the tone. Remember that you can change your mind. Remember too that you can experiment with different lengths and formats and see what happens. Many academic YouTubers will just upload the raw video and hope for the best, but we think you can do a lot better than that.